दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन मीठी प्यार ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो।
वाह वाह राम जी, जोड़ी क्या बनाई, भैया और भाभी को बधाई हो बधाई। सब रस्मों से बड़ी है जग में दिल से दिल की सगाई।
आपकी कृपा से ये शुभ घड़ी आई, जीजी और जीजा को बधाई हो बधाई। सब रस्मों से बड़ी है जग में दिल से दिल की सगाई।
वाह वाह राम जी,
वाह वाह राम जी,
वाह वाह राम जी।
जीवन की बगिया महकेगी लहकेगी, जीवन की बगिया महकेगी लहकेगी, चहकेगी खुशियों की कलियां झूमेंगी झूलेंगी फूलेंगी। जीवन की बगिया वो मेरा होगा, वो सपना तेरा होगा, मिलजुल के मांगा वो तेरा मेरा होगा। जब जब वो मुस्कुराएगा अपना सवेरा होगा, वो मेरा होगा।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे ओ गोरी आएंगे तेरे सजना।
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, ओहो ओहो।
सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना, सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना। ये दिल की बात अपने दिल में दबा के रखना, सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना।
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना। हाय हाय हाय।
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदें, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाएंगे तारे जमीन पर।
चिक चिक बम बम चिक चिक बम।
Dear Mr. Surinder, Mrs. Sushma Bajaj, I on behalf of myself and my family convey best wishes on the happy occasion of your 50th marriage anniversary and wish you both many happy such anniversaries in the years to follow. The respect and reputation you enjoy in your social circle, relative circle, business circle is for excellence. The reputation enjoyed by Bajaj Group of Industries, especially because of honesty, fair dealings and humility, is well deserved. The way you both have brought up your family and grandchildren make you an ideal couple and example for others to follow. With these words, I wish you both once again very happy and long married life. Thank you all.
I'd like to congratulate respected brother and Bhabiji on Golden Jubilee marriage anniversary. From myself, from my family, it's a great occasion and we all are enjoying here and we are extremely happy. I would like to say something about my brother. He has full confidence in him. He tries to keep everybody happy. He also cares for the full family because he is the eldest. He also has got very good relation and good understanding with his wife. With all these 50 years, we know how they are done the best, I should say. मेरे पास और कोई शब्द नहीं जिसके बारे में उनको बधाई दियो and he is totally a great person. Thank you.
I pray to the Almighty God, the 50th which you have enjoyed the married life, you enjoyed more and more, and the God bless you, and you have been blessing to the younger, and please continue like that, like a younger boy and younger son.
आप दोनों का 50 साल का संबंध मधुर जैसा रहा है, वैसे भी और आगे बना रहे, इससे भी अच्छा रहे। आप स्वस्थ रहें, सुखी रहें, सबको प्रेरणा देते रहें, सम्मान, बड़ों को सम्मान, छोटों को प्यार देते रहें। ईश्वर करे आपके हम दीर्घ विवाहिक वर्षगांठ भी देख पाएं।
इस शुभ दिन पर आप दोनों को हमारे परिवार की तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बहुत
बधाई हो आप दोनों को।
हम आप दोनों से हमें जो प्यार और मोहब्बत सारी उम्र मिला है उसके लिए हम सब आपके हृदय से धन्यवादी हैं और उम्मीद कर सारी उम्र यही हम आपसे चाहते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
बाय।
It's very difficult to pen down what Didi and Jijaji mean to us. Me, my sister Kiran and Raman, we share the same feeling. We lost our parents very early, and that also in a span of 2-3 years. There was always an emptiness, void, a vacuum. Especially when we met our friends' parents, it really upsetted us that why God has called our parents so early. Didi Jijaji has given us unconditional parental love, support and security. We have a home to fall back on. Like Sanjay, Sumit, Shalu, Shrutu, we can walk in and walk out of the house anytime we feel like. Kiran's family, my family and Raman family, all of us wish Didi and Jijaji a very happy, a great 50th anniversary. May God give them all the happiness happiness in the fullest.
Happy anniversary!
Didi and Jijaji, wishing you a very, very happy golden anniversary.
From all of us in London, that's Bela, Raman, Arina and Anika, we all wish you many more happy years to come.
Namaste, Chachaji. Heartiest congratulations and sincere best wishes on your golden wedding anniversary from all of us. May this beautiful couple be blessed and live together for many more years. May God bless you and fill your life with more love and happiness.
Once again, happy
Dear Mummy Papa, wish you a very happy golden wedding anniversary. Words cannot express how grateful I am to have you as my parents. I thank you for telling me that I can reach my dreams, however high they may be, having confidence in me, and most of all, valuing my opinion ever since I was a boy. Papa and Mummy, truly you are an inspiration to me. I love you and I want you to know that I will forever honor and respect the legacy you have instilled upon me. May God continue to bless your marriage.
Mummy Papa, as I go down the memory lane, I recall several moments of joy and happiness that I have shared with you. I wish this should continue and your blessings should remain with me throughout my life. Ever since I got to know you, you were a source of inspiration.
So cheers to 50 years of your wedding.
Dear Dadu and Dadi, wish you a very happy golden wedding anniversary. Dadu and Dadi, today I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for the immense love and care that you have bestowed upon us. Dadi, even if I am miles apart or sitting right beside you, you never forget to ask me, Beta, tabiyat to theek hai na? Chale to nahi hue? Dadu, I will forever treasure this moment spent with you on the dining table. The laughters, the discussions will forever remain in my heart. So today, as you celebrate this milestone, I wish that you enjoy to the fullest. Hope that you relive some old memories and create some new ones. Thank you.
Dear Dadu and Dadi, I still remember the time when Dadi, you used to walk up to ask me how I was, even though you were not able to walk upstairs. Dadu, I still remember the way you used to hug each day and keep count when we don't used to hug. I want to take this time to apologize that I have not been able to spend much time with you for these past 2 years. And I want to also wish you a very happy 50th golden anniversary, and please remember that I always love you and please take care of me.
Dearest Mommy and Papa, we would all like to wish you a very joyous golden anniversary. I feel fortunate that we are all gathered here today to celebrate 50 years of togetherness of our parents. I think I speak for my family when I say that the older we get, the more we realize how lucky we are to be part of this family, and what a privilege it has been to have parents like you. I want to thank you for the incredible upbringing which was full of love and nurturing. Your advice and wisdom has always helped me to take right decisions in the life. I feel your partnership is based on how to love and how to give. You have both taught us how to live.
The beautiful bond that you both share is an inspiration for us all. Mummy, I miss your presence so much in Nasik. Papa, you have supported me in every way. All these 16 years I've been married, I have got love from you both in abundance. I don't have words to thank you.
Happy golden anniversary once again, Dadu and Dadi. Dadi, I miss hugging you every day after I came from school. Dadu, I wish I could meet you and talk to you about how my day was, like I did every evening. I really love you both and wish to relive all those happy little moments that I spent with you.
I still remember the evening walk I used to take with Dadi and the many games of cards I played with Dadu. I miss you and love you a lot.
In the end, we would like to raise a toast to you as you celebrate your lifetime together. Thank you.
Hello, Mummy and Papa. We wish you a very happy golden anniversary.
It is a blessing to have such great parents.
It is wonderful to share this golden moment with you.
I have lots of wonderful memories and of the great time I have shared with you.
Now Priti will recite the poem for you.
Hello, Nanu and Nani. We wish you a very happy golden anniversary. नाना नानी की जोड़ी है कूल, करते हैं वो एक दूसरे के दिल पर रूल, करते हैं वो हमको इंस्पायर, नाना बनाते स्टेयरिंग गियर और टायर। नानी है सबसे प्यारी और न्यारी, पहनती वो हमेशा डिजाइनर साड़ी। नाना नानी खेलते रमी, नहीं उनके प्यार में कोई कमी। नाना नानी है ताश के शौकीन, है उनकी जिंदगी रंगीन। उनकी 50वीं सालगिरह पर करते हैं हम उनको विश, अब तो खा लो फिश।
Hello Bajaj sir, Mrs. Bajaj, very happy anniversary to you. May God bless you with good health or happiness, togetherness and of course good luck. मेरी और चावला साहब की तरफ से और पूरी फैमिली की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। आप दोनों सदा खुश रहो और अपनी लाइफ एंजॉय करो। गुड लक।
Hello Mummy, hello Papa. I wish you a very happy golden anniversary. Being your youngest daughter, I have lot of good memories. But today, I want to say that you are the best parents any child could have. God has been great that He has shown me this lovely day. So enjoy this day and all the best.
Well, when I started thinking about the message for Mummy and Papa, I was a little confused. 50 years of married life and both of you are so happy to celebrate it. Wow, unbelievable. मैंने अपनी शादी के 17 साल कैसे काटे हैं मुझे पता है. Well, jokes apart, it is indeed an honor to wish you on your 50th wedding anniversary. Like a good batsman, you have made the best 50 partnership of your life together and are still going strong. I was to give my good wishes, but what good wishes can you give to a couple who is already blessed by God, who have given love, affection and guidance to not only their children, but to everyone who has come in contact with them. Our good wishes are always with you, Mummy and Papa. May God bless you forever. Thank you.
And once again, happy marriage anniversary.
Hello Nanu, hello Nani. Wish you a very happy 50th golden anniversary. When I first sat down to write a message to convey to you, I thought about all the things that you had given to us. Your time, your life, you'd completely devoted yourself to us. And that was everything one could ever wish for. But then I thought it wasn't about me or any one of us. It was about you and celebrating the time of your life. So here's to you, Nanu and Nani. Cheers and happy 50th wedding anniversary.
Nanu, hello Nani. From the youngest member to the oldest members, happy 50th wedding anniversary. I love you both.